Cam18 here, bringing you guys with a Lego custom, I'm pretty sure DC, superhero. Today we have Hawkman, and I went pretty try-hard on this minifigure. And I know some of you don't like how I use stickers, and I'm sorry if you guys don't like that I use stickers, but honestly, guys, I don't always necessarily feel like painting on my Lego, mainly because, you know, I don't always do the best job with the minifigures, and I like to reuse my Legos, so, but the stickers work pretty well for me, honestly, so it's just, when I have to use a lot of stickers, they don't look as well usually, but, okay, so I'm going to stop rambling about that, and here he is, guys. So we have some awesome torso printing, which I did all with stickers. That's supposed to be like that hawk head he has, but it's actually an Atlantis sticker, but it's just like the one that you see that he has, so that's really cool. I saw that he had blue eyes, so I gave him Obi-Wan Kenobi from the Clone Wars, that head. That's why he has a little bit of a beard there. And then this is my only Chima helmet piece, so I only did the front because it was really hard to get the stickers on there. And yeah, that's part of the reason why I didn't feel like painting this. I almost painted this, guys, because I felt like the rest of this minifigure turned out really well, but I think one of my goals is to kind of collect one minifigure from each Chima tribe, so yeah, that's part of the reason why I didn't want to paint the helmet. So I gave him a golden club, and in some pictures I saw on Google Images, he has these golden wings, so I made the wings because I don't have any golden wings, and I think the golden wings look a little more interesting than just like the white or gray wings that he normally has. I gave him gold hands, the red waist, and then the green legs, and then I gave him the golden club there, and then so I basically made the wings by attaching, you can see this piece here with this, and just sticking them together. And then I attached them to a 3x1, and I attached that to this little neck piece here. So yeah, I think the wings turned out well, and you can also, I mean, they're a little bit fragile, but like if you want to, you can like, well, I mean, oops, sorry, adjusting the wings with one hand is not ideal, so yeah. So I used Patrick Star's torso because I don't have the muscular torso, which I really want to get one of these days because it's really good for a lot of minifigures, honestly. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this awesome minifigure, and if you guys enjoyed it, please hit that amazing subscribe button, and please hit that amazing like button, and leave some epic comments. Thank you guys for watching.